Alright, so we've just come away camping again for a bit of a camping break, and Outwell has sent us these two units over to test out. The first one is this Cayon cabinet, and the next one is the Outwell Domingo cabinet. Now, I've not looked at the instructions, I've not pitched all these first, so it's going to be a true unboxing, and I'll see how well I can put these up together. So first off, we're going to try the smaller one. Now these cupboards are the ones you might see on our other videos, where they've got the solid doors that close and shut rather than zippers, which makes them, I think from looking at them, a little bit easier to use. So today's going to be a good test in seeing what they're like inside and put them together. Right, okay, so first impressions is rather good, because once we get out of the box that it ships in, it comes in a nice carry case. So we obviously brought it in the box in our camping trailer to bring it here, but this is actually a lot smaller than a box, so I think the box may be staying here and we'll just take it in its carry case. I do like it when they come in these carry bags. It makes it a lot easier to store, pack, take, you know, and it keeps the items clean. So let's unzip it for the first time and see what's in here. So let's bring it out. So we've got the instruction sheet here, which well, quick glance at that, and it looks very, very self-explanatory. Let's see if I still mess it up. Okay, so it's got the cupboard top here. It's all wrapped up. So we'll just unwrap that. All nice and protected. So there's the gloss top with the Outwell logo embossed into it. Right, we got a little cupboard here, so well, that was quick. And furniture that goes up quick and easy is has got to be a winner. So it looks like a couple of little Velcro things just to Velcro the sides of it onto the tent, if I can actually undo the Velcro. It's strong Velcro, this. First one out. Okay, wrap that around there. And is this one the other side? Yes, there's one the other side too. Both sides. So that was really easy. Just unfold, unfold, and it's there, pretty much. So, okay. Now this is the cupboard door that I was talking about. Nicely just folds down, makes it really easy. It's magnetic, you know, it's just like open, close. Wow. And the top, just, there's no clips on it, just rests on top. So obviously push that down, actually grips on fairly well. So this sort of thing, you're going to make a nice bedside table. We've got our camp beds with us this time, and I just think that's really handy. So that's the Cayon cabinet. Didn't need to consult the instructions too much, and I didn't make too much of a mess of that. So let's try the big one. Okay, the Domingo cabinet. Now this one immediately is slightly heavier. Open it up again, and as you can see inside here, it's got a bag that it comes in as well. Oh, so pull that out. I will tidy up the tent soon, honest. Right, so here it is, straight unboxed in the bag. Okay. We get this out, and it looks pretty much the same as the smaller one, just bigger. So we've got the top is all wrapped up, and I'll just unpack like this, and inside we've got the instructions. Now that folding mechanism looks a little bit more complicated than the smaller one, but well, let's just try it, shall we? Get the rest of the top out. Yeah. So as you see, it's a similar gloss top. This one also has extra side hooks with little rubber protective ends on, which is good. This is the sort of thing that you'll have in your main living area of the tent, and yeah, our tent we need to do that. We're still setting up, so putting this cupboard up for the week that we're here is going to help just keep things a little bit more organised and tidy. Okay, so let's bring the main unit out. Cardboard pieces in there, protect it. There we go. Right. So this one sort of said it concertina out. Okay. These must go down below. Must go above. Like that. Okay. Now you see you got this Velcro. Oh, fluff on the carpet here. We've got this Velcro loop system here, so let's get this on quite a lot of the furniture. Just pull that tight, pull that tight, and Velcro it on the bottom there. That just holds it in place. Bottom drawers from the door. I might do it this way, move that. Now I am getting in a pickle now. Right, these doors fold around. That's it. There we go. Okay, so let's do that Velcro again. You can see legs are coming together like so, and the Velcro tightens it up like that. And another one right at the bottom. Okay. Base, that goes on there. Rest of the straps at the back. And there we go. Close and close. That's going to be quite good at giving that. None of this actually. It's got Velcro all the way down. Strap it onto these side straps. So there we go. That's better. So there we are. Nice, easy cupboards to stow things away. And we got spreading stuff to stow things away. And the top just should sit nice snugly. And this one has got little, you see on the bottom here, it's got these little things that grip onto the poles at the side. That's a little bit of Right, so that's the two cupboards, and what I'll do now is lift you up so you can have a better look see. Okay, so here's the little one, the Cayon. There you go, with a little mesh shelf. Shut that up, it's top there, and here's the tall one with lots of very big shelves. Again, similar design, mesh shelf on top, no mesh shelf on the bottom of that one, just a big storage cupboard. Might be even a good place to put some non-mucky shoes away. Let's see. Yeah, so far, so good. Okay, there it is in the bedroom. So you can see the previous unit we done before, and there's a new one. Here's the camp bed. It's got the extra large mattress on, but it's just the right height for it. There we go. So I can use the hooks. Not using it too well. It's put a bunch of burger stuff in there at the moment. Haven't got anything in there, but yeah. So handy little thing in the corner there. Should be out of the way. Just tidy up a bit. There's the rest of a walk around the tent. We still got a bit of setting up to do. There's the lads' room. Messy. And we've still got to sort our room out as well through the quick and quiet doors. And yeah, we still got to sort it out, but get a bit more respectable. So that's us at the moment, and yeah, he's tidying up. Haven't really long got here with it all. But we got electrics, we got kettle ready, and we got the Outwell induction hob as well. Cook inside, but we can also then we're cooking with gas outside too. Out here we've got the emergency stove and kettle to make a cuppa until we've got the rest of the stuff set up. Nice little sunny spot though, it was, wasn't it? It was somewhere.
It was, but the sun's gone in now.
A windbreak. Nice. And, quite a big campsite.